What's up, guys? Welcome to our new video. This video is about the best drain cleaner. After deep research, we list the best drain cleaner for your needs and budgets. In this video, we will review the best drain cleaner. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We mention all the products linked in the description below. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the Gouger Ultimate Main Drain Opener. For several reasons, many drain cleaners are not appropriate for commodes. Any bleach left behind from cleaning a toilet combined with the ammonia frequently discovered in drain cleaners will produce a hazardous gas called chloramine. In addition, the majority of drain cleansers are rough, which can trigger damage to your pipelines. However, the Gouger Ultimate Mainline Drain Pipe Opener is developed with non-chemical components that make it excellent for commode obstructions. This non-corrosive and odor-free fluid can eliminate toilet tissue, child wipes, and other buildups that may block your commodes. It can also be used in sinks, garbage disposals, bathtubs, septic systems, and other pipes. Johnson prefers the Gouger Drain Pipe Cleaner for its naturally degradable and non-hazardous active ingredients, which include natural enzyme-producing germs that feed and break down whatever is triggering the clog. This makes this enzymatic cleaner safe to utilize in bathrooms, unlike other caustic or acidic cleansers. Although this product is a lot more expensive than our top pick, we think its versatility, cleansing power, and secure active ingredients deserve it, especially if you need to unclog a toilet drain pipe. Our number 4 pick is the Rockwall IBD Cone 128 Invad Bio Drain Gel. Standing water and strong odors attract pesky flies and gross microorganisms when there's an obstruction in a kitchen area or restroom sink. Rockwall's Invad Biography Drain Pipe Gel is the best choice to eliminate these obstructions and insects in nearly any sink successfully. Created with microbes as well as necessary citrus oil, and without harsh chemicals or fumes, this thick gel cleanser achieves success at getting rid of smells, residue, oil, food particles, as well as the infamous sugar snake, which is a buildup of sugar as well as various other cruds in the drain pipe that feeds germs and also grows in the form of a snake. This drain cleaner is also understood for its powerful ability to kill and protect against fruit flies, gnats, and various other flies that often hang around the damp setting of a clogged sink. In addition, it's made with naturally acquired active ingredients that make it safe enough to use in soda fountain drip trays, waste disposal units, and wipe containers. Our number 3 pick is the Liquid-Plumr Hair Clog Eliminator. Hair is the most common cause of a blocked drain pipe, particularly in the shower. When it comes to getting rid of those tough obstructions, Liquid-Plumr Hair Remover Gel is your best bet. According to the brand name, this thick gel cleanser can tackle tough hairballs in 15 minutes after rinsing and flushing away with hot water. While excessive cool or warm can cause this cleaner to glob in the bottle, its performance stays strong and is secure for septic systems and all pipelines, including those made with PVC, plastic, and copper. Nevertheless, this cleaner is not meant for use in garbage disposals or toilets. This drain cleaner for hair blockages is far more effective than the brand name's initial blockage eliminator. And also, professionals love how efficient this drain cleaner is in a single use, especially compared to others that can take several tries or more than one bottle to unblock a drain pipe. Our number 2 pick is the Earthworm Drain Cleaner. Unlike other cleansing items, locating drain cleansers made with natural or organic active ingredients is difficult. However, Earthworm's Drain Pipe Cleaner and Accumulation Cleaner was an easy choice for the best natural drain pipe cleaner. Instead of harsh chemicals, this liquid cleanser is formulated with natural enzymes that are still hard enough to break down buildup and dissolve moderate blockages without harming your pipelines. As a result, it's optimal for liquefying hair, soap scum, toothpaste, and other organic materials. Even though it may call for a couple of shots to dissolve a clog, this product's best feature could be its fragrant citrus and sage scent that leaves sinks and garbage disposals scenting fresh. Our number 1 pick is the DranoMax Gel Drain. DranoMax Gel is the best general drain pipe cleaner because it works rapidly to eliminate difficult blockages. This reputable and efficient cleaner is a thick gel that goes deep in sinks, pipes, and drains to get to the obstruction's source and totally liquefy it. While it might take 2 attempts to be completely effective, this cleaner is so effective that it will swiftly come to be the first thing you reach for when you require to unblock a drain. This product is secure to utilize in showers, sinks, tubs, septic systems, garbage disposals, PVC pipelines, and metal pipes. However, it's important to note that it's not secure to make use in toilets. Like many drain pipe cleansers, DranoMax Gel includes chemical ingredients that can damage if ingested or in contact with the skin or eyes. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.